Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious and easy paneer recipe, that is Paneer Bhurji. Add in 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Into the oil add in half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 green chilli, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute until onion turns soft. Then add in about 1 tomato which is finely chopped. Saute until they turn soft and get smashed. Add in a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Saute until raw smell goes off. Also add salt to taste. Now add in about 1 cup of grated paneer. Mix it until well combined. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes in a low flame. Now the paneer is cooked well. Finally add in some Kasuri Methi, it's optional. Also add in some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. That's it, it's ready. Now turn off the flame. Delicious and easy to make Paneer Bhurji is ready. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.